Hi there, I'm Dave with BendPak, and today we're going to go over one of our brand new products, the LITESTIX LS36SMD lithium-ion rechargeable work light. So let's get it unboxed, take a look, and go over the features of this great new tool. All right, so includes the charger, an adjustable cradle frame, but we're gonna get back to this later. And of course, here we have the light itself. Now the overall length is 42¼ inches. It is a shatter-resistant polycarbonate housing and has a maximum light output of 1200 lumens, that coming through 36 LED lights. You have two power settings, a high and a low, through the two easily accessible buttons, one on each handle, and that makes it very easy to use. The light is powered by an 1800 milliamp hour lithium-ion rechargeable battery. That gives you up to 4.5 hours of continuous usage on a full charge. Speaking of the full charge, that's going to take about 3 hours through the included charger. Now, where this light really shines, pun intended, is in its versatility. The amount of different ways that you can mount the light is really fantastic. For instance, we have the recessed mounting hooks in both handles. So you can hang it vertically or you can hang it horizontally because, again, you have hooks in both handles. You also have 90-degree rotating handles on either side. So that makes it really easy to put places. And the thing that makes it most easy is both of those handles have very powerful magnets right there in the base. So you can go ahead and do something like this, and that's going to be a nice, firm mounting solution for the light. And it makes it very easy to put just about anywhere you're going to need to work on stuff, and they're pretty strong. Lastly, we have the adjustable cradle frame, and of course the light just snaps into place, and this makes it really great to mount under the hood of your vehicle. You can put it in a door frame, cabinet, really anywhere where you can take advantage of these spring-loaded ends. Speaking of which, it has an overall length of 49.5 inches, and at full extension, 79.75 inches. This makes it really, really easy to mount it in a lot of different places. So there you have it. As you can see, this light is capable of so much more than just being a shop light. It's a truly versatile tool that can help you in any situation that needs some light. Be sure to check out the LITESTIX LS36SMD on BendPak.com. We'll have a link in the description below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to get the latest product videos, tech info, and company news from BendPak. Thanks for watching.